The $61,000 Tesla Cybertruck is no longer there. Vanished. The cutting-edge design and futuristic technology at least expensive price suddenly disappeared. What on earth could have gone wrong with this amazing car that generated so much hype, debate, and media coverage? Get ready for an unexpected disclosure in the automotive industry as we go deeply into the abrupt decline of one of Tesla's most daring inventions today. In 2019, Tesla, with its unrivaled design and innovation, completely transformed the auto industry by unveiling something that was unlike anything the automotive world had ever seen before: the Tesla Cybertruck. Tesla has always been a synonym to electric vehicles, but this was nothing like any other electric vehicle. This was a tank on wheels, with its angular, sci-fiction, and almost alien design. It inflamed opinions right away. Some laughed at it and some loved it. But if there was one thing everyone agreed on, it was that this innovation made a statement. The attraction point for the potential buyers was not the design though, it was the price tag. People were shocked when Musk proudly announced a starting price of just $39,900 for the single-motor rear-wheel drive version.
The functionality I'm going to describe is within a space that is less than the most popular pickup truck in the United States.
The entry-level version promised a range of more than 250 miles and 7,500 towing capacity. The dual-motor AWD version was priced at $49,900 with 300-plus range and better performance. And at the top was the beastly tri-motor AWD, priced at $69,900. This version promised to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.9 seconds.
Onboard outlets for 110 and 220 volts. So you don't need a generator.
A range of over 500 miles, top speed of 130 miles per hour, and a towing capacity that could rival the best in the industry.
See, how does this compare to a Porsche 911? Okay, we're going to give the Porsche a little bit of a head start. Yeah, this is a current.
Now that is something we car lovers can relate to: a futuristic design, fully automated with advanced and cutting-edge technology, and at the same time an affordable electric vehicle. People were going crazy over it. Thousands of reservations flooded in after the reveal. As time passed, whispers turned into murmurs, and murmurs became loud questions. Where is the Cybertruck? Why is it taking so long? By 2023, the hopes began to shatter when Tesla announced new and significantly increased prices of Cybertruck.
Compressor. Of course, it will come with autopilot standard. Yeah. So there'll be 3 versions, but it's gonna.
The single-motor rear-wheel drive model, which previously was just for $39,900, now increased to $60,990, almost double its original stated price. Similarly, the dual-motor AWD price increased from $49,900 to $79,990, and above all, the tri-motor Cyberbeast model was priced at $99,990, which initially was offered for only $69,900. Even though Tesla stated these prices, production issues started to arise. Producing a truck with those specs, wrapped in the indestructible armor of stainless steel, required more capital than Tesla had anticipated. Tesla's supply network required careful balancing for many years. The worldwide shortage of chips affected the car industry as a whole, and Tesla was not exemption. Not to be overlooked are the constantly rising costs of raw materials, particularly the batteries for electric vehicles, making it impossible for Tesla to continue offering the attractive prices that they had promised. The challenges in the production of something as special as the Cybertruck did not seem to decline. The exoskeleton of Cybertruck was no ordinary steel body, it was the ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, the same material SpaceX uses for their rockets. Is not that cool? Indeed it is. But is that easy to manufacture at large scale? Absolutely not. Production was repeatedly delayed as Tesla refined the truck's design to make it feasible for mass production without breaking the bank. But hold on tight, because here comes the bombshell. By 2024, the Cybertruck was still nowhere to be found on the roads, and worse yet, the model that was offered for $60,990 price point? Gone. So what actually happened? Tesla appeared to be out of line with reality with its ambitious goal of revolutionizing the truck industry with an affordable and futuristic electric alternative. Multiple factors contributed towards the vanishing dream of affordable Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's unique stainless steel frame, coupled with skyrocketing prices for lithium and other battery materials, dramatically increased production costs. Origami-like exoskeleton that made the Cybertruck so iconic also made it incredibly difficult to produce at large scale. And then the inevitable inflation and market condition pushed Tesla to rethink its pricing structure across the board. Considering these factors, Tesla removed the single-motor rear-wheel drive version from its official website, leaving the buyers with only dual-motor all-wheel drive at the price of $94,490 and Cyberbeast at the price of $114,490. Now that's more than double the prices that were offered initially. This means that customers no longer have access to the affordable entry-level model, and the emphasis is now on the more premium, high-performance versions. This could signal Tesla's commitment to showcasing the Cybertruck's full power and capability, but it also raises the cost of entry for anyone looking to get their hands on one of these futuristic trucks. People are questioning where the entry-level rear-wheel drive version disappeared all of a sudden. Musk claimed in October 2023 that Tesla has 1 million reservations for the truck. Because costs are higher and driving ranges are lower than initially anticipated, some customers have stated they are waiting for less-priced models. As of today, Tesla's website no longer offers the option to reserve a $61,000 version of the Cybertruck, which previously had been offered with a 250-mile range and a targeted 2025 delivery. Now the website only offers the $100,000 models for purchase and states the estimated delivered as early as this month. In conclusion, the $61,000 model we were promised vanished. It's no more there for us. If you plan to buy a Cybertruck, your choices are now the two higher-end models, both with impressive performance but at a higher price tag than before. But whether it be the rising material costs, production holdups, or the enormous complexity of designing such a future vehicle, buyers demand an efficient and futuristic design at relatively affordable price. According to Tesla, the Foundation series is only available for the first year. Now this is a little misleading, considering deliveries started in November of last year. Now, following the conclusion of the limited edition series, can we anticipate that the standard Cybertruck, the $61,000 rear-wheel drive version, may return? Here we are, left questioning what happened to the affordable Cybertruck we were once promised. What started as an exciting $39,900 offer has now turned into a $100,000 reality. The cheaper version? It quietly disappeared, leaving only the expensive, high-performance models for those who can pay. Whether we'll ever see a more affordable Cybertruck is uncertain, but one thing's clear. Tesla's journey to revolutionize the truck world hasn't been easy, and only time will show if they can truly deliver on their bold promises. Dear viewers, what do you think? Will Tesla bring back the affordable version? Share your opinions with us in the comments section below. I am coming with more exciting videos for you. Until then, stay tuned guys. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you are notified as soon as we upload our next video. Thanks for watching.